Welcome to Lewis Disability Law. I'm attorney Rob Tyre.
And I'm attorney Scott D. Lewis. Today we'd like to talk to you about mental health and those impairments and how they may prevent you from working and qualify you for Social Security disability. So many diagnoses for this: PTSD, anxiety, depression, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia. The list goes on. And you may not just have one of these, you may have a combination of these.
Mental health impairments are different than physical impairments. So how do we argue these cases to Social Security?
Well, you can't be sent out for an MRI, an X-ray. Objective testing is not going to work here. So what we're going to need is good, strong therapy notes from your therapist and your psychiatrist. You need ongoing treatment. Social Security believes if you're not getting this ongoing treatment, it must not be very bad. So you're going to need ongoing treatment to support your case. Hospital records. Maybe you've been hospitalized for mental illness. Those go a long way in showing that you're disabled.
Any sort of non-compliance, how does that affect a disability case?
Right. A lot of our clients aren't taking medication. You need to take medication usually to win these claims. Social Security wants to see that you're trying to get better. If you're not attempting to get better, it's very difficult to win these claims.
Is there anything that Lewis Disability Law does to help win mental health claims?
What we attempt to do is get medical source statements out to your treating professionals stating what your limitations might be. After all, they're seeing you every 2 weeks, every week. You know, they probably see the difficulties that you might be having. So if they can document those and we can submit those to the court or to Social Security, it might show the limitations you have and how they prevent you from working.
The limitations for mental health claims are a little different than they are from physical claims for disability. What kind of restrictions is Social Security looking for?
Generally, it's not going to affect your ability to walk, stand, lift, things like that, but it's going to affect your ability to get to work, probably, right? So you don't come to work. You have anxiety. You don't even leave the house, right? Staying on task. If you are at work, your mind's wandering, you can't concentrate, you can't focus, you're not getting the job done. Social Security does recognize this.
How about getting along with your coworkers or the general public?
We hear from many of our clients that, being around people, especially in a workplace, you might have a little bit of pressure there to get things done, not like at home. And so it makes it very difficult to get along with coworkers, supervisors.
So if you have any questions about how Lewis Disability Law can help you with your claim for benefits for mental health impairments, give us a call at 317-423-8888.